Hey guys, just a quick tip about setting yourself up for success when you're doing kitchen cabinet installations and you're going to be running crown. We don't always get the chance to build our own kitchens, to frame it and strap it and stuff like that. So sometimes the opportunity arises where you have to open up the ceiling because you got a vent or a light or something in there, and or you're gutting the ceiling and it's open. And that's the opportunity to take the advantage of strapping, double strapping if you can, the line where your crown molding is going so that you can nail it to the ceiling and it's not going to open up with a big ugly gap. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, a lot of you guys work with plans, and you know where your uppers are going, you know where your refrigerator is going, your sink, so you know that there's crown molding going here and here, right? So you can plan for that. And a lot of times, some of your plans, or if you don't have plans, you could do this, with your cabinets and a tape measure and crown molding. You have full-size plans. You could figure out what this space is with your crown molding. Here's your cabinet here, and here's your piece that you put over it, and here's your crown. And you can figure out this spot right here to either single or double strap. So what I ended up doing is, like I said, we had to open the ceiling up right here. I ended up strapping. I had to sneak it in this hole all the way down to where the stove vent is down there. And I was able to do that. And then obviously I know I have strapping going perpendicular here. I'll mark that on the ceiling so that I could use that as a nailer later on, or I'll measure it and take a picture of it. But set yourself up for success, and I guarantee your job will look better and you'll have tighter, nicer looking seams. Guys, while we're at it, let's talk about lower cabinets. So our cabinets are about 34.5, 35 high. And so what I did is all the way down the line, I installed blocking. Here's the 35 mark. So I have nailing above for my Schluter board, which, we'll do down there for the backsplash. And then we have continuous nailing for our cabinets all the way across. So just a nice thing to think about when if you have the opportunity to put in blocking. And then obviously we talked about blocking above as well.